Hello guys, welcome to the video of my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a YouTube banner. Like this one. For example, this is my page. That's why I'm here. So you can see I have my banner, my logo, and please sub, because it should sub all my videos here. But yeah, today I'm gonna be focusing on showing you how to make the YouTube banner. So because it's kind of complicated. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I hope this video is gonna help you. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so I showed you how my banner is and everything. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you how I actually made it. Example, this is my channel logo. If I would put it just like this, it would be pretty bad. Because first you have to hold Ctrl Shift and D and just put your properties at width 9676 and your height at uh, at 5443. That's the first step, because that's the YouTube requirement for size. So yeah, now zoom out a little bit, have it like on your screen. And the thing is, you might be thinking, just like I did, don't worry about it, that's a mistake I also made before. I prefer, before I just put it like this, it's kind of lag. Okay, it's like this because, and then just completed it with example grabbing this, putting it like this, then this, and right clicking and clicking move to layer 1, and then just expanding it and just putting it. So that's what I thought you honestly had to do, and it would come out like 9. The thing is, that's wrong. I'm gonna show you why. Because YouTube, when you actually try to put a banner, it only shows you can only put the part in the middle. For example, I'm gonna make an example square, kind of. It's not gonna be perfectly, but it's more or less like this. You can see, like, more or less it's that what you can make, what you can put, that it actually shows. I think that's kind of annoying, because as you can see, I see all of this space. What do I do with it? Because then I have to make it smaller. Let me move it to layer 1, so I can put it on top. Or maybe I will change the color of this one. Then this, make it smaller and smaller. Then the thing I just did at the beginning of the video, that was my mistake. I can just recreate it, but in this middle square, so it comes out like mine. And that's how you make the YouTube banners. I'm gonna show you my file that I have in my channel banner, so I can show you what I mean. Okay, this is the file. So you can see, it's everything I did. It's all here in the middle. So you can see my logo, and please sub. It's all literally in the middle. Yeah, that kind of, it's weird how they made it, but it's okay. They just kind of, I think, maybe want to make you try to figure it out or something. Or they maybe just made a mistake. I don't know. Yeah, so that's how you actually do it. This is, just put it in the middle, and then it shows you that you wanna put this square more or less, and then you can just put it, and you will have one like me. So yeah guys, I think I'm gonna be ending it for today guys. I hope this tutorial helped you, because I also got confused at the beginning. And then please make sure to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you next time, and goodbye.